everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back. It's another two-page Tuesday layout today. So these are photos from my second oldest grandson's birthday earlier this year. So because it's a birthday layout, I'm using a birthday collection here, and I love that happy bright dot paper from Pebbles. It's the Happy Hooray Celebrate paper. And then I'm thinking I want to put a border along the bottom to help matte some of the photos. I have 6 photos here. So I'm going to use that stripe paper to do that. That is from Pebbles Happy Hooray, and it's the Candy Shop paper. And I'm cutting it, so that takes a little bit. All right. So then I have a place for these 4, and there's the cute candy on the back of this. I'll just get that down. So now I have a place to set those photos that sets them apart a little bit. That background is so busy. I love the background, but it's really busy and easy to lose photos on it. So I wanted something a little bit calmer. And then I have those 2 photos of my grandson hiding in the box here. So I'm going to mount that on that green paper from Pebbles Happy Hooray. It's the Rainbow-tastic paper. And that will help set those papers off as well. Or pictures off as well. And you'll see this in just a minute. So then what I'm trying to decide is sometimes I'll tuck the bottom of the photo under the paper below it, and sometimes I leave it like I am here, where I basically overlap it just a tiny bit. And that's what I'm going to do here. Sorry, everybody. Anyway, so now I'm going through and I'm going to mount the bottom photos on, and I've left just a tiny little space between them. I justified them completely to the left and right for the photo that's in the gutter, just because I do use a binder, so there'll be space there anyway. All right, so just getting everything cut down and mounted. And I'm really liking now how the green really highlights the pictures of M number 2 in the box, and then how the supporting photos are really, you can see them a lot better. So I have this American Crafts Dear Lizzie Radical paper there, and I really liked that Good Times Ahead 3x4 card. I also have this piece of paper from the Crate Paper Hooray collection. And so I'm looking at using these cut aparts. You know, we have them, so it's nice to use them on paper. So this is how, this is a great layout. How do you use 3x4 cut aparts? How do you incorporate journaling cards? And if you watch my lives, you will have seen a preview of this layout a couple months ago, I think about a couple months ago, where we talked about that. Cynthia asked a question, and I happen to have this layout sitting next to my desk, and we talked quite a bit about this. So I'm actually using 2 cut aparts and a journaling card here. So the banner cut apart there is from that Crate Paper Hooray collection. The prize ribbon cut apart is from the Dear Lizzie Stay Colorful Radical paper. And then the journaling card there, which is in that beautiful green that matches the paper on top that is matting the photos, is from Ellie Studio. This washi tape is, I believe, from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I don't remember. It came in a collection pack, and I didn't write it on the... Normally I write where stuff is from on the inside of my washi tape, but I didn't start doing that right away. So, I know it's either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I just don't remember which. So I'm using that just to separate. I needed some relief between that busy stripe and the busier dot, and that, I think, really helped it. So we'll just kind of, now I put that all down. Now I'm thinking about embellishing, and I really like these stickers, the balloon animal there from the Pebbles Birthday Wishes accent stickers. I keep wanting to use those balloon animals on birthday layouts, and I just haven't gotten many of them on. So every time I use one, I'm happy about that. And then I have the blue one as well. that Birthday Wishes is an awesome sticker sheet. So then I have those candles also from the Birthday Wishes, because even though they're not, you're not seeing presents or cake or anything like that, this is a layout from his birthday. And it'll go within that section of my album. So I thought it would be a nice way to commemorate and emphasize that it is that particular day. All right, now I think I'm looking for, yes, an alpha. And I was thinking about using brown, because that box is a brown cardboard. Obviously it's a craft color, and I didn't have a great craft alpha to do this, but I had this wood alpha, and that is American Crafts stickers in cedar. I don't know what collection it came from. So I decide, the title is really a question, so I decided I needed to make sure I got a question mark in there. All right. Then I wanted, because I didn't have enough letters in either the green alpha or the wood alpha to do the whole title, I'm going to use these green foam thickers to do the first part of the title. These are American Crafts stickers in the Eric font. And so my title is going to be, Why Do We Buy Presents? Because the kids had as much fun with this box that some of his presents came in as they did with the actual presents. It was so cute. They were hiding each other in it. They were pretending it was a vehicle. It was very, very funny. So we're just getting that down. And I like the combination of the green and the wood together then, because that wood is really helping emphasize that. Now, I'm thinking I should have added like some wood hearts or something on this as well to help emphasize the wood in that, because that wood is the only piece. So that's one thing that might make this layout a little bit stronger, better. Might go in and see what I have in wood to add. Well, certainly I have plenty of wood veneer. So that's a thing. I'm thinking of some wood hearts that I have from, I think, Studio Calico. All right, instead, right now, what I'm going to use to finish, though, is these enamel dots from Altenew. They're the Glacier Caves enamel dots, and these Altenew enamel dots are my favorite in any of the colors. The packs are huge. I think they were $4.99 if I remember, and they come in so many colors. So I've ordered a ton of these to help round out. I'm trying to use up my individual packages of enamel dots so that all I ever have to do is buy these with a few supplements in, but that takes a while. I try to go to the other packs first and then use these. Anyway, you guys, I am just finishing up adding the enamel dots. Hope you guys are well. Here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots, and I will be back with another layer again soon. Bye, everybody.